So hello everyone, today we'll be coding the next tech giant in NestJs. So hello everyone, today we'll be Let's start. I will just move the OBS to the screen so I don't need to see it again and again. And now I have implemented this post method. Now I would implement this find or query method. So let me just do it. So we are using NestJs with TypeScript because JavaScript is not good. So like I don't say it's bad, but it's not any good either. So you just do it anyways. Fine. So we have implemented the find one method in the service file as well. And now we have to implement the find all method. So we'll get the query, and the query is of the type this. It will have a start and it will have a limit. So if I will show you the documentation, it says it can have a take 4 and a skip. Where is the skip? So it can skip 200 and take 20 from the 200th index. So the default will be, I would consider it as 0. Let me check if there is a default in. Well, no, let me check. In validator, sorry, class validator, it was class validator. So let me see just quickly. Fine. So first we need to check how to make a, oh, this is a number, so how to make it optional. So I think option is like this, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's just check it. What if we remove we made the start is optional, as I assume it, right? Start is optional. So if we send it, error occurred. Let's see what's the problem. So there is no problem. Wait, let's remove this. So string must not be less than 0 and string must be a number conforming to specified constraints. So okay, so now it is not normal actually. To make it normal, wait, we just need to go to and yeah, that's the syntax for optional. But Okay, so I don't have a battery on my laptop, so I will charge it. So integer, let me check it just. Okay, so instead of is number, I need to do is int and just move. This would be is int as well, and remove this int number. And yes, now let me quickly check the DTO for auth as well. I have made the same mistake somewhere here as well. So is number, no, let's make it. Let me check with the authorization header if it's always an integer. So if it is an integer, we will make it is int. Well, I assume it's an integer because uh, it takes time in milliseconds. So yes, it's an integer. So this number is int. Copy to here as well. Copy to here. Okay, is int. Yeah, remove is number. Fine. So the refresh token is string, subject is string, IIT and experience are number. Fine. Okay, this goes well. Uh, Now after it being an integer, we needed to check if it's an optional. So optional is done this criteria, but I can't find it. Okay, fine, I'm fine. Found it. Great. Now let me check it. I believe this one was the request. Start must be an integer. Let's do it. And what if I remove this? Great. So it works. So it's an integer. It is working. So I will just add this to this one as well. And what if I remove the limit as well? So it works, but I will make sure that it's an option as well. Let me see if it gives some insight. Great. Now we need to do this. So here's a controller. I will make a service for it. So it should be a async find all. Great. And here we write a try catch. And I will turn on my chat. Anyways, now by using find all, we will accept the queries. It should be queries actually, not query. And queries plural. Now let's rename it. Find all query DTO and remove it. Now, nope. The same goes to here. Find all. Now we can write is equal to this dot prisma dot give dot find many where now let me check what was the default I gave. Default value. Let me see. Default value. Yeah, right. So it is 0. Oh, wait. No need to give default values here. So I will write const this equal to queries. Fine. Here we can extract the limit and start. Oh, nice. And limit will be normal value of 20 and start will be 0. Default values. Now where, wait, let me see the documentation. Okay. Skip is basically start and now take is limit. Great. And now yes, this feels right. Also we will include in our queries in find all DTO a search string which is a string and is optional and is string. Now add is optional. Then I'm thinking that this would be fine for now. Let me see. Yeah, so it is a string, it is optional. That's great. Now something else do I need to type in here? Let's also make it a minimum of 0. Let's make it a minimum of 1. If given, it should be a minimum of 1. And if not given, then that's fine. And let's make it start of 1. Uh, and a search string. So it's optional. And if I remove the optional thing, yes, server restarted it. Nice. Nice. Now we will also take out the query. What we say? Let's see what are we got search string. Nice. And what should be the default value of search string? If we can see, okay, let the search string default be this. We will see what happens in the later part. We will like verify the implementation later on. Great. Now we need to give the where part. So where, oh my god, title contains our search string. This thing. Now can we give a or clause here? Okay, I got it how to do it. So or nice. Let me see what we have to write in our. Okay. So right, oh my god. So title contains search string. Now let me see what's a new error. Ends with gmail.io, gmail.com, obviously. Now, what is the error? Dash string filter. Let me see what's the error. Okay, let me see contains. String filter. What's string filter? No help here. Now, I believe since it's filter, it's come from somewhere here. But I'm not sure. Let's do string interpolation and see if it works. Doesn't work either. Okay. It was a spelling mistake. Great. Now we have title, description. Now let it be there. Now let me see where it all started here. It's a bang of gig. Let's throw this error. Oh, gigs. Wait, was on. Great. And at last, I will just throw this. Great. And if it's not a bang of gig, so we will just return gigs. And we're returning it here. And are we awaiting it? Yeah, we are. So it should work now. Okay. So such thing is optional. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I think I will need to give some metadata as well for now. So I believe, let me search if there is something like metadata. Oh, come on. Metadata in metadata. Prisma metadata. Let's see if it. Oh, come on. It's not Prisma. It's Prisma metadata. Now let's see if something is there in NestJs. I believe it's not going to be there, but let's just check it. Yeah. I'm not sure about how to deal with metadata, but let's see. So just turn off my mic for a minute. Wait. Hello, hello. Just a second. Let me turn it on. Um, hmm.